What's up, YouTube? Today I'm here with my wind-up deck profile. Not a great deck anymore, but it's still really fun to play. Let's get into it. First off, 3 wind-up rabbit, 3 wind-up shark, 3 wind-up rat. Still doesn't need really any explanation for most of this. 2 warrior, 1 magician. That's it for the wind-ups. I have 4 other monsters, consisting of 2 tour guides, Fear Invoker, 1 bear. I do run tanking in this deck, and 1 Ryo. You know, I'm debating whether to take this card out or not, but it's more like I don't really know what else to put in. Next up, got 3 factory, 3 MST. Also debating taking one of these out. You don't really need 3, but once again, don't really know anything that would be better. 2 tanky for your rabbit and your bear. 1 lance and 1 dress. Duality and Avarice. Avarice is a must in this deck. It's crazy good. And then your Dark-Hole Heavy Storm Reborn. So for the spells, onto the traps. Have the 2 Solemns, Deprison, Mirror Force, Compulse, Bottomless, Torrential, Breakthrough Skill, and a Fiendish. That's it for the main deck. 40 cards. The extra deck, got a token for rank 3s. I play Invoker, Zenmaines, Giga Brilliant, Leviair, and Leviathan. For Leviathan and Giga Brilliant, you really only need one of these. I like both because I do have room in the extra deck. There's nothing I really needed over one of these, but this is more important if you're going to you know, switch out something of a personal preference. Everything else, these 3 though, are very needed. Rank 4s, we have Pappy, Maestroke, Cowboy, Black Ship, Direwolf, and a Shockmaster. Easily the most important ones are Shockmaster, Direwolf, and Pappy. This because of Rabbit, this because of Rat, and this is just really easy going to, and it's kind of important to run in windups. The rest are just kind of personal choices. Now for your rank 5s, we have Tiras, Volcasaurus, and Zenmayo. These 2 are definitely needed. You don't need Zenmayo. That was just a personal choice. You could throw in Shark Fortress instead of that. That's a really good. That's a really good card. But yeah. The last card in the extra deck is our rank 7 Gaia, because you're in Volcasaurus, and you're in Volcasaurus. You need a Gaia. That's it for my wind-ups. It'd be really great if you guys could, you know, leave a comment, giving me any suggestions, like this video, and it's up to my channel. Thanks.